This video, I will show you how to make Adobe Acrobat your default PDF viewer or PDF reader on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate your file manager on your Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my file manager right here. So go ahead and search file right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up files. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to the PDF document. For that, I'm going to open up document right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to select a particular PDF from the document right here. So I'm going to slide this way, and go ahead and look for PDF right here. So I'm going to select PDF. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Open With. Then here we go. We have Acrobat right here. Select Acrobat. And then go ahead and click on Adobe Acrobat. And just like so, it's going to load your PDF and show in Acrobat. So whatever you want to open another PDF is going to show and load in Acrobat. Just like so, you can see my PDF file has opened successful in Adobe Acrobat. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.